Welcome to your new Kandi mini golf cart. This tutorial will walk you through installing the roof. Before assembling or using the cart, read the manual thoroughly to ensure safe operation. Begin by powering on the cart, and then press the button on the dashboard to expand the mini golf cart. Once fully expanded, lock the safety latch under the seat. Install the left and right windshield supports. Secure tightly with the flange bolts. Then, install the rubber covers. Remove the backrest bolts and release the clips to lower the backrest. Install the rear roof pole and align it with the seat backrest. Tighten the bolts and rear frame locking bolt. Insert the windshield frame into the left and right support poles and lock it in place with the windshield screws. Attach and lock the roof frame to each of the support poles. Using the Velcro sleeves, attach the soft top to the roof frame. Align the windshield with the frame and clamp in place. Install a screw and washer into each of the 4 holes. Once all screws are in place, tighten each one to ensure the windshield is securely attached. Warning: do not collapse the cart with the roof installed. This will damage the roof frame. Congratulations! Your roof is now installed and ready to use.